So, how do you communicate with the universe, and how does the universe know what you're trying to manifest? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. Today's video is going to explain how to communicate with the universe and how to make sure that the universe heard what you're trying to manifest. It's a question I get asked all the time by a lot of clients, by a lot of students. I get emails about it, comments about it. So many different people communicate with me that they don't know if the universe is hearing what they want to manifest. How do you know that what you're trying to manifest was heard by the universe? So when studying the law of attraction, it's a common thing you hear: ask the universe for what you want and it'll show up. And I always say the universe always provides. So how do you make sure that the universe heard you and is going to provide? There are so many different ways that you can communicate with the universe, and whatever way works best for you is going to be unique to you. But in this video, I will share you a few ways that you can connect with the universe and make sure that what you're trying to manifest is being heard. And to make it even better, the universe will often give you signs whenever you're clearly communicating. So that's just an extra bonus. So I normally don't film this late, so sorry about the lighting. The sun's kind of already setting, but I have my diffuser going and I have coffee, so let's get started. So like I said at the beginning of this video, how you communicate with the universe is going to be very unique to you. It's the same kind of idea I teach in my Abundance Academy, is that manifesting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Everybody has a unique learning type, a unique personality, and how you interpret and communicate and feel and all of your vibes are going to be different from somebody else's. So manifesting in the law of attraction, in my opinion, is not a one size fits all. There are so many different approaches, but you still get to the end result. So see which one of these techniques works best for you and try them all out. If you're not sure which one's going to work for you, you will find a solution. So like I said, in my course, I talk about 5 different learning types, and it is possible to be more than just one. So for me personally, I am a physical and visual learner. So one of my favorite techniques to use when communicating to the universe is something physical. So one of the best ways that you can directly communicate with the universe is to get out of your head and get into your body. Some of my very, very, very best ideas come to me when I'm working out on my spin bike. I work out on my spin bike 5 days a week, and that is time that I take for myself, and I get out of my head and into my body. I like to overthink things, and my mind's always going a million times a minute, and I'm always planning things, and I'm always running through schedules in my head and what clients I need to call next and what I need to do next. So when I work out, I make it a very calculated approach that I'm going to turn off my thoughts and get into my physical body. The act of physically moving and turning off your mind and just getting into your body and seeing what comes up is so unbelievably powerful. A great idea that you can do is, before your workout, state an intention. State some kind of message that you wish to receive from the universe, or make a statement of intent. Declare to the universe what you're trying to manifest. Declare that statement, get into your workout, and don't think anymore. Let it come to you. I get about 90% of my ideas when I am working out, because I make a very specific statement of intent to the universe before I start my workout. And during my workout, I swear it just downloads through me. So a great tip to say, one day it will be, how can I serve? And during that workout, I'll get a ton of ideas for video content on how I can help other people when using the law of attraction. Or I'll make a statement of intent, something that I'm trying to manifest. And while I'm working out, I usually get inspired ideas that I can take inspired action on. So getting out of your mind and into your physical body with a statement of intention or question to the universe, you will get messages back and you will get feedback. You know how some people say ideas come to them in the shower? It's because you're turning off your mind. When you're doing things that get you out of your head and into your body, you can get so many messages to the universe on what choice to make, what decision to make, what intention you want to set. There are so many options when you get out of your head and into your body. Just let the universe work through you. Another way to communicate with the universe is to ask for signs. Pick something very specific. It could be a horse. It could be a purple butterfly. It could be a red rose. It could be, in my case, I like to do playing cards or money. Something very, very, very specific. Some kind of symbol, something visual that you can see as a symbol. Pick that and declare to the universe that that is the sign or symbol that you want to see whenever you're on the right path, or whenever you need to make a decision, or whenever there is some kind of message you're meant to receive. make sure that the universe knows to show you that symbol. You will be shocked and amazed at how often the universe will show you your symbol right when you need it, right when you need to make that choice and you don't know what to do, right when you don't have the answer for what you need at that time. Whenever you're on the right path towards manifesting what you're trying to create, the universe will show you your symbol. Ask for the symbol in the cases you need to see it. But I swear, anytime I've needed my sign from the universe, I've seen it. And like I said, mine was playing cards. So you can steal that if you want. I challenge you to pick something that maybe you don't see every single day and be on the lookout for it. It could be a cloud formation in the sky. It could be someone's license plate has a picture of whatever your symbol is. It could be so many different ways. You just have to be open to receiving the messages from the universe. I always tell my clients, and I always say on my channel, if you followed me for a long time, the universe is always trying to communicate with us, and it's up to us to listen. If you agree, leave me a comment below. The universe is always trying to communicate. It's really just up to us to listen. So keep that in the back of your mind whenever you're going through any of these steps. You have to be listening actively to the universe. Another strong way to communicate with the universe is through your intuition. So your solar plexus chakra, which is right underneath your ribcage, houses all of your gut intuition and instincts. We're programmed a lot to ignore them because the logical brain tries to take over and rationalize whatever's going on in your current circumstances. But listen to that gut feeling, gut instinct, and intuition. Most of the time, the universe is trying to communicate a message to you. If you feel a gut instinct about a person, a place, or somewhere where you are, if you have a gut feeling or reaction, that's the universe trying to communicate with you. Don't ignore it. Ask more questions. See why the universe is giving you that feeling. See why the universe is making you think those thoughts. Follow your gut intuition. The universe is trying to communicate with you. Stop following that programming of trying to do everything with logic. We are programmed with intuition for a reason. You are supposed to follow it. So listen to that gut feeling, gut instinct, and follow your intuition. The universe is guiding you. And if you're not sure what that feeling means, ask more questions. Do a workout, get out of your mind, get into your body, ask for a symbol. Keep communicating with the universe and you will get an answer. You just have to be open to receiving it. And the final way that I want to share with you on how to communicate with the universe is through meditation. I know, a lot of people say that they're not into meditating, their mind wanders, they can't get comfortable, they can't relax, they can't surrender to the moment. And I do understand that. I know that it's hard to sit in a quiet place and keep your mind quiet and focused and meditate and do all of that. I know how hard that is. But in meditation, you can directly connect with the universe. I actually just made a whole meditation about it. I know you don't like meditating, but just give it a try. You don't know until you try. This meditation is a chakra balancing meditation, and it helps you directly connect to the universe to become a vibrational match for what you're trying to manifest. I'll leave a link up here, but I'm telling you, meditation is so important, and it just takes practice. If it's not working for you now, just keep intentionally practicing. Start with 5 minutes, start with 10 minutes, then work up to 15, then work up to 20. Start with guided meditations, and if that's not working for you, try regular meditations. There are so many different options, and if you don't want to listen to music, try sitting in silence and see what messages download for you. I always like to say to download these messages from the universe because the universe is communicating with you, and if you're closed off, you can't download any messages, you can't receive any guidance, you can't receive anything. And if you're in your mind, your thoughts are going, how are you going to receive a message? You have to be open to receiving these messages because the universe is communicating with you. And you're communicating to the universe with your thoughts, actions, and whatever your feelings are. So I strongly encourage you to try out these steps, see what messages you're getting, and very clearly communicate and make statements of intent and questions to the universe, and you will get an answer. Just be open to it. Whatever you are being called to manifest is calling you for a reason. Find out the message behind it. Find out the reason you're called to do the things you're meant to do. Follow your passions and follow your intuition. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you, your thoughts and ideas, and I love hearing your results on how these work for you. And be sure to follow my Instagram at MKMagicMindset. And for more law of attraction tips, tricks, resources, courses, and more, be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com. And I will see you in the next video.